Google just made Nano Banana and Veo 3 available together for free inside Whisk. The best part is you are not just getting free access, you are getting both the tools working together seamlessly. And unlike Gemini or Google AI Studio where you don't get frame selection for the image, Whisk make it super easy with built-in frame selection for the image or video that you will generate. In this video I'll show you how you can use Whisk and access it for free under 5 minutes. Down here you will see the text prompt box, and if we will click on add image, the left sidebar will open. This is where you can upload asset or drag in images for subject, scene and style. You can enter the text prompt to generate image, or you can upload your own images here. For this I will upload my own character, and if you don't have an image you can click the little dice and it will generate the random subject for you. Now any image you will upload can also be edited here. Click this button to enter the editing panel. Let's take this robot and enter the prompt that robot is eating an ice cream. With one click, you will get a consistent character just with the changes you ask for. The same workflow then applies to the scene and style. In this example, I'll upload a clothing collage that I found online. For the scene, I'll upload a coffee shop front. For style, I'll skip it for now. Down in the prompt box, I'll type that character is sitting outside the coffee shop. Whisk also gives you control over aspect ratio that are commonly used. We have got square, portrait and landscape. No need to struggle with resizing like we did before in Gemini or Google AI Studio. Under setting, you can adjust the seed number and toggle the precise reference mode. With precise mode on, you will get to upload 3 reference that stays very true to your uploads. If you will turn it off, you will get more flexibility but less consistency. Let's send it to generate and see what we get. The character and even the detailed background stays perfectly consistent. Everything just fits together naturally without me needing to explain how. Now here is a useful feature. If you want to refine image, just click on refine and tell what you need to refine. In the prompt, I'll make the character hold a coffee cup. In just one click, you will get the change. Just click animate on the image and you will enter the video panel. Let's add a text prompt and describe what you want your character to do. And even you can add the dialogue in the prompt. If you don't specify your sound or dialogue, it will also generate it automatically. The main generation model here is Imagine Refine feature. What you see runs on Nano Banana. Try yourself with the link below, and thanks for watching.